Here are some short English sentences that are commonly used in daily conversations, greetings, and polite expressions. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, nice to meet you. See you later, take care, have a good day. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Questions? What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What do you do? Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? How much is this? Do you speak English? What time is it? What's wrong? Statements. I don't understand. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm happy. I love you. I need help. It's okay. It's not working. I'm coming. Let's go. Request and offers. Please sit down. Please wait here. Can I have this? Can I ask you something? Can I use your phone? Do you want some coffee? Would you like some help? Let's do it. Let's eat. Let's meet tomorrow. Everyday activities. I'm going to work. I'm going to school. I'm going home. I'm watching TV. I'm reading a book. I'm cooking dinner. I'm doing laundry. I'm taking a shower. I'm going to bed. I'm cleaning the house. These sentences cover a range of basic interactions and can be quite useful in daily communication. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe.